Did you know that cows have best friends or that they can actually swim? Welcome back to Wildly Wondered, where today we're exploring some jaw-dropping facts about these surprisingly complex creatures. Cows aren't just gentle giants, they're social, intelligent, and full of hidden talents. Let's dive right in. Out on the vast plains, in fields bathed in golden sunlight, a fascinating social dynamic unfolds within herds of cows. Just like us, cows form strong bonds with each other, developing close friendships that impact their well-being. Cows have best friends, individuals they gravitate towards, spending hours side by side, their large, gentle heads often touching. Scientists have observed that when these bovine companions are separated, they exhibit signs of stress and anxiety. Their heart rates increase, they become agitated, and they pace restlessly, calling out for their missing friends. They thrive in social environments where they can interact, play, and simply exist in the comforting presence of their herd mates. The bonds they forge provide a sense of security and belonging, much like our own social circles. Next time you see a group of cows grazing together, take a moment to observe their interactions. In the sprawling landscapes where cows roam, survival depends on a keen awareness of their surroundings. Cows have evolved an incredible adaptation that gives them a distinct advantage: 360-degree vision. Their large, prominent eyes, positioned on the sides of their heads, grant them an almost complete field of vision. This remarkable ability allows them to spot potential threats from nearly every angle, giving them ample time to react. A flicker of movement in the tall grasses, a shadow cast by a soaring bird of prey. Nothing escapes their watchful gaze. But their exceptional vision isn't just about predator detection. Cows use their wide field of view to keep track of other members of the herd, maintaining visual contact even while grazing. This constant awareness of their surroundings contributes to the overall safety and cohesion of the herd. So, the next time you lock eyes with a cow, remember that those large, soulful eyes are taking in a far wider perspective than you might imagine. Have you ever looked into the large, gentle eyes of a cow and wondered what they see? Do they recognize individual faces? The answer, surprisingly, is yes. Cows possess an impressive ability to remember human faces, a testament to their cognitive abilities that challenges our perception of these often overlooked creatures. Studies have shown that cows can differentiate between familiar and unfamiliar humans, even after extended periods. They remember the faces of those who treat them kindly and those who don't. This suggests that they form associations between faces and experiences, demonstrating a capacity for learning and memory that extends beyond basic survival instincts. This ability to recognize faces likely plays a role in their social interactions, both within the herd and with humans. They can identify their caretakers, distinguishing them from strangers. Their ability to remember faces, navigate their surroundings, and learn from their experiences highlights the complex inner lives of these fascinating animals. When we think of animals that excel in water, cows don't usually come to mind. But beneath their gentle, land-loving exterior lies a surprising talent. Cows are actually quite adept swimmers. Their powerful legs, designed for supporting their considerable weight on land, transform into surprisingly effective paddles in the water. Their buoyant bodies, aided by their large lungs, help them stay afloat. They can cover significant distances, often swimming across rivers and lakes in search of fresh grazing pastures or to escape potential dangers. This hidden talent challenges our preconceived notions about these land-dwelling herbivores. The next time you envision a cow, don't limit your imagination to fields and meadows. Picture them gliding through the water. Within a seemingly peaceful herd of cows grazing in a meadow, a complex social structure unfolds, governed by a well-defined hierarchy. At the top of this bovine social ladder reigns the dominant cow, often the oldest and most experienced female. She commands respect from the rest of the herd, her dominance asserted through subtle yet effective cues like posture, vocalizations, and even a well-placed headbutt. Below her, a clear pecking order emerges, with cows of varying ages and temperaments finding their place within the social hierarchy. This hierarchy isn't static. Young cows may challenge their superiors, vying for a higher position, while older cows may gradually relinquish their dominance as they age. This constant flux ensures that the strongest and most capable individuals have access to the best resources, such as food, water, and shade. This intricate social structure highlights the intelligence and social complexity of cows. In the heart of a sun-drenched pasture, a mother cow grazes peacefully, her large, gentle eyes gazing at her newborn calf. The bond between a mother cow and her calf is one of the most powerful and enduring connections in the animal kingdom. Even before birth, a mother cow begins communicating with her unborn calf, her soothing calls creating a sonic connection that transcends the womb. Once the calf is born, the mother showers it with affection, licking it clean and encouraging it to stand. She nurses her calf diligently, providing it with the nourishment it needs to grow strong. Her protective instincts are fierce, and she will defend her calf from any perceived threat with unwavering determination. As the calf grows, the mother continues to guide and teach it, introducing it to the nuances of herd life. This tender bond between mother and calf showcases the emotional depth and nurturing instincts that lie at the heart of these gentle giants. In the lush green pastures where cows graze, a remarkable biological process unfolds within their digestive systems. Cows possess not one but 4 stomachs, a complex adaptation that allows them to extract maximum nutrients from their fibrous plant-based diet. This remarkable digestive system, known as a ruminant stomach, is a marvel of efficiency. The process begins in the rumen, the largest of the 4 stomachs, where billions of microbes work tirelessly, fermenting and breaking down the ingested plant material. From the rumen, the partially digested food travels to the reticulum, where it is formed into small masses called cuds. These cuds are then regurgitated back up to the cow's mouth, where they are meticulously rechewed, further breaking down the tough fibers. This process of regurgitation and rechewing, known as rumination or chewing the cud, is a defining characteristic of ruminant animals like cows. It allows them to extract the maximum amount of nutrients from their food, a crucial adaptation for their survival. For centuries, farmers and ranchers have observed a curious correlation between the behavior of their cows and the whims of the weather. These keen observers of nature have noticed subtle shifts in cow behavior that often precede changes in the weather. While cows might not be consulting weather apps, their sensitivity to changes in barometric pressure, humidity, and even approaching storms is remarkable. One of the most well-known examples is their tendency to lie down before a downpour. As barometric pressure drops, often a precursor to rain, cows seem to sense the change in the atmosphere and seek the comfort of a dry patch of ground. Their keen sense of smell also plays a role in their weather-predicting prowess. Cows can detect the scent of rain carried on the wind long before the first drops fall, prompting them to seek shelter. Picture a herd of cows grazing peacefully in a meadow, their bodies seemingly scattered at random, but a closer look reveals a curious phenomenon. A significant number of cows are aligned in the same direction, their bodies oriented along a north-south axis. This intriguing behavior has puzzled researchers for years. Studies have shown that cows possess a built-in magnetic compass, a sensory system that allows them to perceive the Earth's magnetic field. This magnetic sense helps them orient themselves in their surroundings and navigate over long distances. Some scientists believe that this alignment might help cows optimize their grazing patterns. Others suggest that it might be a way for cows to minimize their exposure to the sun's harmful rays. In the tranquil world of cows, a symphony of sounds unfolds, a chorus of moos, lows, and grunts that convey a surprising range of emotions and information. Far from being random utterances, these vocalizations are part of a complex communication system. Each moo, with its subtle variations in pitch, volume, and duration, carries a specific meaning. A mother cow, separated from her calf, will emit a series of high-pitched, distressed calls. Calves, in turn, have their own distinct vocalizations, their soft, pleading moos, a way to solicit their mother's attention. Within the herd, cows use a variety of vocalizations to establish dominance, settle disputes, and maintain social harmony. The next time you find yourself in the presence of cows, listen closely to their symphony of sounds. Thanks for watching. If these facts surprised you, let us know which one was your favorite in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more amazing animal insights here on Wildly Wondered. See you next time.